Hi there everyone, my name is Sharvesh. I'm from Kidsbrandambassador TTDI. Today I'm at Negara. Yay! Negara is home to 5,000 animals. It is located at Ulu Klang, Selangor. It is daily open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Today I will speak about two animals. First animal will be the white rhinos. White rhinos love to eat grass. It can live up to 50 years. It is normally found in Africa. They can weigh up to 2,000 kg. Their body length is around 10 to 15 feet. Their front horn is 60 cm. It is made of keratin just like our nail. White rhinos are hunted because they are horned. Please stop, don't do that. Save rhinos. Second animal will be the giraffe. Giraffe loves to eat leaf. It can live up to 25 years. It is normally found in Africa. Giraffe has 7 neck bones just like human. Their tongue can reach up to 53 cm. Giraffes are very active. They sleep only 4 hours in a day. Besides these two animals, we have many other animals too. Come visit Negara. Thank you Negara and Johanspeakingacademy for these stunts.